This knapsack you are seeing, it's a 20-liter knapsack, and it's well marked. Yeah, these are 20 liters. This is one marking point. Then, two, this knapsack has different parts. When I lift like this, in fact, this is the pump. The whole thing is a knapsack, but for us here we take, but I've not covered. All this I have to do when you've covered yourself and everything. Yeah. So,
for training purposes.
Yeah. So when we see here, it's already yeah. So when it's wearing, that means there's some oiling in every moving part. So what to do? Another very important issue with this knapsack is this.
The nozzle.
The nozzle. There are different types of nozzles doing different work. This one is not purposely to spray weeds or applying the chemical. This one mostly when you set it, it can spray up the tree or the fruits. This kind of nozzle, if unfortunately you don't have water here, but you have the other one that is like a slasher. Yeah, it's like a it's flat. That's the one that is used for the herbicide. Then the other one with the conical, is it conical? Yeah, it's the one we use for the beans.
For pesticides.
Yeah, for pesticides. Okay. Then the biggest thing you have to know who's going to apply.
Go slow there. I want people to get the difference between these nozzles, because that is a common mistake we find with the farmers. We don't have time for that. And moreover, when we provide the knapsack, they have all those three types of what? Nozzles.
Yeah.
So we need to differentiate. That one is for what?
This one is for fruits, maybe some trees. If you want to target upper, if you turn like this, it will tell you it will either push or lowers a bit. We have a conical one. It has at top. It's the one that maybe you are spraying army one. You put inside, and even for the beans when you are spraying, you see it tomatoes just surrounds.
It directs the
chemical
to the target
plant. Then the other one, the flat one, when you try to spray, the more you lift it higher, the more you receive.
When you are spraying weeds, you have to leave the gap at least 2 feet from the top of the weeds. Then it covers.
Yeah, in fact, when you are spraying, like this is maize, this is the one plant, let me say, then 75 centimeters, another one is here. What we mostly do, we move in between. When you move in the middle, this chemical can finish the whole of this part. So you just move straight, knowing that here, of course we calculate, but since now we know we have this field, you know the part that is going to be covered. How do you know it? You pour in water, not chemical this time. Just free water. The thing is just very clean. Then you pump your thing. When you pump it, you set off from maybe in a dry area. You try to lift a bit to see at which height can the chemical move in either both lines or one line. Let me say it's here. Then at this level, you can get a string. You tie in a stone. Then you know wherever you are not going to move this zigzag. No, we are holding this thing at one level. Then we are moving, but we know when I reach at the end here, remember this chemical has covered here and here. So when I move here, it means it's covering here and somewhere there. So you don't, and you have your speed. The speed you can set it from on start with the water. because you know how much when I move, how much chemicals being what? Sprayed, or it's being poured. You can get a measuring thing for the CBFs, and maybe as we are going, you time yourself, maybe how long do you take to reach here? Then that time itself is the one you use to spray within the what? Within the measuring cylinder or what? So it will tell you that one knapsack or two knapsacks, when I move at this speed, pumping at this rate, it's finishing this what? This garden. So two, I think the thing has some.
Some leakage somewhere.
So this is another trick. When I've noticed that I've applied the same thing, always the books tell us that you put the chemical first, but that's not what we do. You put a little quantity of water first. Then you open. Remember, the water has to be clean, but from experience, this thing here has bigger holes. So sometimes we advise farmers to put maybe another crop, so that after putting the chemical, you pour in water, clean water. If there is anything, he has put it well. If there is anything, it's just left what? Up. So you shake very well for the uniform mixture. Then when you shake very well, you put on your attires. You've already known that at this level, when I move at this level, the chemical is covering my what? My part. Then, or not a window day like our trained us, you're going to apply your chemical. You'll do it quickly. In fact, we've seen it for us practically. An acre within 30, 40 minutes. You are done.
Even a liter is enough.
A liter is enough for an acre. We've seen it, and the weeds died.
Okay.
Yeah. So other things, after washing the they trained us.
But so when you are weeding,
another
you reduce the height of this
when you are weeding.
Because this time you don't cover 75. You'll be covering half 75.
Maybe to add on something.